Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most confusing topics in English grammar, the present perfect tense. But don't worry, okay? We are going to make it super easy and fun. First off, what is the present perfect tense? Well, it's a tense that we use to talk about things that started in the past and are still happening now, or things that happened at a certain time, not given time in the past. Let me give you an example. Let's say you have a crush on someone, okay, and you want to tell your friends about it. You could say, I have liked him for months. See, you're talking about something that started in the past, liking him, and is still true in the present, okay? Now, let's say your friend asks you if you have told your crush how you feel about it. You could say, no way, I've not done that. I'm too scared. And then maybe you could scream or do a funny dance to show how scared are you. Wow. Okay? All right. Let's get back on track. Now, there are a few adverbs that we use a lot with the present perfect tense, like just, already, since, and for. Let me give you some examples of how to use them. Okay? I have just finished my homework. This means you finished your homework very recently, like within the last few minutes, okay? She has already eaten lunch. This means she ate lunch earlier than expected. I've been studying English since last year. This means you started studying English at some point last year and are still studying it, okay? We have been best friends for 10 years. This means you and your friend have been besties for 10 years and are still going strong, okay? So, that is the present perfect, let's say in a nutshell, okay? It might seem confusing at first, but with a little practice, you'll be using it like a pro, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more English grammar lessons like this. See you next time. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss a single episode. And if you got a question that you'd like answered, post it in the comment section below. Your questions could be my next video.